Everyone, welcome to our channel Satya's Chemistry. Today in this session we are going to learn another LAQ from Organic Chemistry. This is the fourth LAQ from Organic Chemistry. How do we get benzene from acetylene? Give the corresponding equation. Explain the halogenation, alkylation, acylation, nitration and sulfonation of benzene. Here is the preparation method of benzene from acetylene. When acetylene is passed through the red hot copper tubes, it gives benzene. When acetylene is passed through the red hot copper tubes, it gives benzene. What is the acetylene? What is the chemical formula for acetylene? CH triple bond CH, or we can write it as a C2H2. This is the acetylene chemical formula. How many moles we are taking here? 3 moles. When acetylene is passed through the red hot copper tubes at 600 degrees centigrade, it gives us benzene C6H6. Our structure we can write like this. Okay. If you are good at writing the benzene structure, you write the benzene structure. Otherwise, you write the chemical formula of benzene here. Okay. This is the preparation method of benzene. So, when acetylene is passed through the red hot copper tubes, it gives benzene. 3 moles of C2H2 in presence of red hot copper tube at 600 degrees centigrade, it gives us C6H6 or benzene. Okay. Coming to the chemical properties. Benzene participates in electrophilic substitution reactions. What is the meaning of electrophilic substitution reactions? Electrophilic substitution reaction means replacement of atom or group. Replacement of atom or group by an electrophile. We are call it as the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. What is the meaning of electrophilic substitution reaction? Replacement of atom or group of atom by an electrophile. We call it as the electrophilic substitution reaction. What is the meaning of electrophile? Electrophile means electron deficient species. Okay, electron deficient species we are calling electrophile. Okay, is it clear? Benzene participates in electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution means replacement of atom or group by an electrophile. Electrophile means electron deficient species. We are calling it as the electrophile. Okay, what is the first chemical reaction of benzene? That is halogenation. Halogenation means reaction with halogens. Okay, benzene participates in halogen in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. This is the first chemical reaction of benzene, that is halogenation. Benzene reacts with halogen in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, gives the corresponding halobenzene. Reacts with halogen in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 gives us halobenzene. Halogens means it may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. In this reaction, I am taking chlorine as the halogen. Okay. So, sorry. Benzene, when reacts with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives us chlorobenzene C6H5Cl plus HCl, or you can write like this. This is chlorobenzene. Okay. Either if you are good at writing this structure, write the structure. Otherwise, you can write the chemical formula of chlorobenzene C6H5Cl. Okay. So, in halogenation, what happens? Benzene reacts with halogen in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, gives the corresponding halobenzene. Okay. What is the electrophile here? Cl plus is the electrophile. What is the meaning of electrophile? Electron deficient species. We are calling it the electrophile. Is it clear? Therefore, in halogenation reaction, what happened? Benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It gives us chlorobenzene. Okay, chlorobenzene. What is the electrophile here? Cl plus is the electrophile. Coming to the second reaction. In alkylation reaction, benzene reacts with alkyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form alkyl benzene. Okay, benzene reacts with alkyl chloride, that means RX or RCl. Okay, R means alkyl group. What are the alkyl group? It may be methyl group or ethyl group or any alkyl group we can take here. Okay. So when benzene reacts with alkyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form alkyl benzene. Here benzene C6H6 plus CH3Cl, that is, it is methyl chloride. When benzene reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives us methyl benzene, or we call it as the toluene. What is the chemical formula for toluene? C6H5CH3, or we can write like this, benzene CH3. Okay, this is toluene or methyl benzene. Okay, benzene reacts with alkyl chloride or methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form alkyl benzene or methyl benzene. We call it as this is the alkylation reaction. Coming to the third reaction, that is the acylation reaction. In acylation, benzene reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form acetophenone. We call it as the acylation reaction. Acetyl chloride CH3COCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form acetophenone C6H5COCH3. We are calling this reaction is acylation. Okay, so here C6H6 plus CH3COCl, this is acetyl chloride. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives us C6H5COCH3 acetophenone, or we can write like this, COCH3 plus HCl. Okay, what is the electrophile in this reaction? COCH3. This is the electrophile. What is the electrophile in alkylation reaction? R plus is the electrophile in the alkylation reaction. Okay, is it clear? So in the above reaction, alkylation reaction, electrophile is alkyl plus R plus. In acylation reaction, electrophile is CO plus CH3. Okay, so in acylation reaction, the product is acetophenone. Coming to the next reaction, that is a nitration reaction. In nitration reaction, benzene reacts with nitration mixture. What is the nitration mixture? 1:1 ratio of concentration HNO3, concentration H2SO4. We are calling it as the nitration mixture. Okay, so benzene on heating with 1:1 mixture of concentration HNO3 plus concentration H2SO4 at 60 degrees centigrade gives us nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene means C6H5NO2. Okay, this is nitration reaction. C6H6 plus concentration HNO3 in presence of concentration H2SO4 at 60 degrees centigrade gives us C6H5NO2 nitrobenzene, or we can write like this, C6H5NO2 nitrobenzene plus H2O. What is the electrophile in nitration reaction? NO2 plus is the electrophile. Okay, so benzene on heating with nitration mixture at 60 degrees centigrade. Temperature is very important. You should mention the temperature. At 60 degrees centigrade only the reaction takes place. Okay, at 60 degrees centigrade it gives us nitrobenzene. Coming to the last reaction, that is the sulfonation reaction. In sulfonation reaction, benzene reacts with fuming sulfuric acid and gives benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, in sulfonation reaction, benzene reacts with sulfuric acid and gives benzene sulfonic acid. Here is the reaction. C6H6 plus H2SO4 gives us benzene sulfonic acid, or we can write like this. You should write proper benzene structure. Okay, SO3H. Electrophile is here, SO3H plus. What is the meaning of electrophile? Electron deficient species. Okay, so this is the sulfonation reaction. Benzene reacts with foaming sulfuric acid and gives benzene sulfonic acid. C6H6 plus H2SO4. That means sulfuric acid, and on heating gives us benzene sulfonic acid. C6H5SO3H plus H2O. This is all about benzene preparation and benzene chemical properties. Okay, is it clear? If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.